recording as well. The idea is to prepare a clip for when I do end up uploading a video basically. So it's just to prepare a clip for when I upload the video. It's a pretty impromptu stream actually. And yeah, that's the plan for today. I think I'll stream for maybe 2 hours at most. Thank you. Okay, so I'll have to quit this game. I forgot to turn on Peacock. That will be needed for my clip. Again in OBS so that, yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to basically go ahead and make a clip for tomorrow as a recording. Basically the strat I showed yesterday, I'm just planning to do a recording with that same strat but with the default loadout so that I can use it as a YouTube video. So others can also understand what needs to be done to make this easier for them too. So I'm basically doing the same strat as yesterday without any gears basically. So basically all I plan to do is, I'm pretty sure that there is supposed to be a petroleum canister.
Don't use detector, sir.
Yes, propane flask. Yes, sorry, not petroleum canister, I meant propane flask. Now all I have to do is throw it here and just shoot it and shoot here, again shoot here. That's my basic strat. Okay? Now that is what I did to explain the strat. While editing I need to remember to remove any bloat basically so that when I'm actually making the clip itself tonight I have to remember to remove all of these extra padded scenes. Yeah, I knew I was not going to get lucky immediately, which is why I was explaining my editing process. It will take a few attempts to even just get this guy here. But yeah, the idea is that once he gets here, I want to just show a method that new players can use, because this game is pretty old but still new players do join. And this is one of the rarer outfits, so if I could help any new player get this outfit without much effort, then why not, right? Perfect. So first things first in this strat, what I plan to do is use the lockpick, go in here, pick up the lethal poison, perfect. Now go here, because this is where the propane flask is. Pick up this propane flask, Throw it here. Switch to the revolver. Shoot it. Then shoot there so that the target lockdown happens. Now quietly wait here while everybody runs away.
No one on the balcony.
Those guys are going to run from that side, so it's going to be fine. That was a little risky there from my end. Need to be a bit more careful there about these things. But yeah, it should be overall pretty fine actually.
I haven't found shit yet. I'll let you know.
Poison. And yeah, that's about it. Now run downstairs pretty quickly before any of the enforcers see you. And yeah, that's it. Very simple. Any beginner should be able to do this. Now within 20 to 30 seconds he should be going upstairs once the panic stops. He will have that, drink that basically, and he will die. Make sure that while I'm recording to fast forward this. Yep, as you can see he's coming back. Make sure to fast forward it after he's coming back. Yep, perfect.
Target
Wait a few seconds.
The money is being transferred now.
And yep, that's it. Yep, that's about it. That's all I wanted to record for today. Now, what is my goals? Okay, so first I need to switch to the official servers, so I could maybe start doing some challenges. Let me just stop my recording though.